Jasmy is featured in Binance feed. Binance loves Jasmy. No matter what people may say, this is very exciting and huge, massive news for Jasmy being listed in Binance feed because of a recent partnership they made. So even people at Binance are taking notice of Jasmy's developments. Guys, this is something you won't want to miss. Jasmy fam, Jasmy knots, thank you guys so much for tuning in and all the continued support. I'm doing my best to make content my way, and for the people that stick around with it, I appreciate you. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share with your friends and family. Let's dive in. From Be Rich, Jasmy makes the Binance feed for the second time this week. Will this get Jasmy out of the monitoring zone? Let's take a look at the article. So Jasmy partners with Kana Labs for seamless blockchain integration. Kana Labs, we're going to dive into Kana Labs and what they're all about as well. According to Foresight News, Japanese IoT platform developer Jasmy has announced a partnership with a blockchain infrastructure provider. Let me zoom in so you guys can see that. Provider Kana Labs. As a part of the collaboration, Kana Labs will provide Jasmy with account abstraction SDK, Mirai, and web-free middleware SDK to facilitate cross-chain access for Jasmy and seamlessly integrate Jasmy Labs' private and public chains. Now, let's take a quick look at SDKs, right? Crypto APIs and SDKs for blockchain. What are crypto APIs and SDKs? How to choose the best. Blockchain development and use may often grow complex. There are tools available that help reduce this complexity, both for programmers and for non-technical audiences, APIs and SDKs. While the latter is aimed at blockchain developers, the former may be used by developers technically savvy end users as well. What is an API? An application program interface, software that acts as interface between two or more different programs or data services. APIs provide an interface you may use to aggregate data out of transactions by connecting to a variety of external sources, websites, databases, exchanges, blockchain networks, okay? And then SDKs are a bundle of software development tools such as programming languages, compilers, and inbuilt database development environments. An API integrated into one installable software package. An SDK provides an integrated development environment to create complete software solutions. It is a programmer's Swiss knife that helps cut down on the development effort significantly by providing all the necessary tools in one package. SDKs commonly not necessarily include one or more crypto APIs, right? And I'm telling you, that is extremely bullish for Jasmy, okay? Additionally, Jasmy Lab will incorporate Kana Labs SDK, which we just found out what that was, and minigames into blockchain computer, assisting Kana Labs into entering the entire Japanese market. And right here from Jasmy MGT, Jasmy Labs has partnered with Kana Labs. Please check out the details in the medium. So right here, Jasmy Lab has announced a collaboration with Kana Labs to offer the utility of its proprietary cryptocurrency, Jasmy. To promote global growth of both projects, this collaboration aims to expand the Jasmy ecosystem. Kana Labs holds a leading position in Web3 and blockchain infrastructure industry. It is an innovative company that works actively to decipher the complexities of the DeFi and GameFi ecosystem. So let's take a look at Kana Labs as well, right? Web3 simplified. Connected and simplified Web3 where chains and experiences unite. So right here, all of the partners that Kana Labs has, they have Aptos. I know a lot of people know about Aptos. That is a huge VC project. They have Clayton, my apologies. That is one of the blockchains that I've heard about. Haven't done too much research on it, but I know there's a ton of active users there. Also partnerships with companies that I don't even never actually heard of them, right? I'm gonna have to do my research into IntelliX and XPLA. right? But the partnership with Aptos is huge. So Jasmy partnering with Kana Labs is a huge step in the right direction. You could integrate your smart wallet infrastructures right here, erase web3 barriers, integrate the smart wallet built on the infrastructure and UI that makes cross-chain experiences smooth so no one will notice. Feels like Web 2. EVM and non-EVM compatible chains, right? Non-custodial wallet with different blockchains, and you could see Bifrost, which we recently covered that Jasmy partnered with. These partnerships here more than likely are leading to the development of Jasmy chain. They also aggregate bridges to Web3, charge less for safer cross-chain performance, right? Play X, you get Y. Our wallet is built on middleware. Let's also take a look at trade. So they have DeFi as well, secure DeFi. Welcome to the next generation of cross-chain utility. Simple start trading. Trade on both EVM, non-EVM chains for DeFi. Swap securely across networks and put a stake in your future. I'm beginning to think all of these partnerships are helping for the development of Jasmy chain, and what they're most focused on is gaming. We already know GameFi will be huge in the space, guys. GameFi is going to be like one of the sectors of the space that will more than likely never go through bear markets. It's just gonna do whatever it does on its own, right? It's the GameFi space, the Web3 gaming space is going to absolutely crush it. So Jasmy partnering with Kana Labs, maybe they're gonna delve into GameFi. With Jasmy chain, there's more than likely gonna be developers who make Jasmy video games on their chain, right? Which is awesome stuff here. Okay, this is things that you have to tie together. Experience new adventure, early access privileges, exclusive mission rewards, flex your achievements, right? They have coupon codes, in-house token raffles. Great stuff, man. Great company in Kana Labs, and that is why Jasmy partnered with them, right? So Kana Labs is renowned for its liquidity, cross-chain bridges, toolkits, enabling dApps to require instant multi-chain functionality. Moreover, it's only service provider in today's market that combines both EVM and non-EVM chains on a single platform. Meanwhile, Jasmy is dedicated to developing and providing IoT platform that provides data sovereignty to return to its rightful owners. This platform also guarantees data is secure and reliable. By harnessing IoT and blockchain, Jasmy is applicable across various business sectors, okay? Furthermore, the partnership unlocks Kana Labs will extend its support to Jasmy. They will offer their unique account abstraction SDK, Mirai, and Web3 middleware SDK, which we already went through, to facilitate cross-chain accessibility for Jasmy and to seamlessly integrate Jasmy Lab private chains with public chains. There you go. So these partnerships that we're seeing are leading to the development of Jasmy chain. This is the type of utility I'm talking about. I love me layer ones. I love me blockchains, okay? I love me some blockchains, guys. This is absolutely awesome stuff, man. Absolutely awesome. I would go deeper into like how SDKs work and stuff like that, but I think we already got the gist of it. So let me go and finish up the article. Additionally, Jasmy Lab will incorporate Kana Labs SDK and mini games into its blockchain computer, aiding Kana Labs in their foray into the Japanese market. Haru, the CEO of Jasmy, commented, "I am extremely pleased to announce our collaboration with Kana Labs. They have been providing their top-tier blockchain to many DeFi and GameFi ecosystems. We anticipate they will play a pivotal role in enhancing the utility of our token, a significant aspect of Jasmy's roadmap. Through this partnership, we look forward to jointly leading the industry." Kana Lab CEO Kartik expressed, "I'm elated to collaborate with Jasmy Lab, our first partner in Japan." Jasmy has the Japanese crypto market in a chokehold, guys. Jasmy has it in a chokehold. if they got successful companies in Japan, Jasmy gonna be right there with the partnership to grow its company as well. I view Jasmy's initiatives in IoT as truly innovative and groundbreaking. With Jasmy's cooperation, we are hopeful to extend our use cases into the IoT sector and the Japanese market. This alliance is a thrilling venture we've eagerly anticipated for some time. Both projects have unequivocally shared their optimistic expectations for success through this strategic partnership. This collaboration signifies a progressive step for Jasmy and Kana in propagating the potential of blockchain technology and the token economy on a global scale. Exciting news from Udon. Jasmy announced partnership with Kana Labs. This is how the community is reacting. Hortum, Binance loves Jasmy, and Binance feed has featured Jasmy once again. Jasmy partners with Kana Labs. Binance does love Jasmy. Congrats to Jasmy from Dip Metaverse and Kana Labs. It feels like things are moving a little faster with Jasmy. Also, Kana Labs just became the 30th regular member of the JCBA, the Japanese Crypto Asset Blockchain Association. That is insane stuff. So 4,000 followers here. Let's take a look at that, man. This is the official Japan Crypto Asset Business Association. Could Jasmy get a partnership with the JCBA as well? Activities related to business, environment, and industry, deliver useful assets, NFTs, blockchains, and dive into Web3. Wow. Okay, that's very interesting, man. This is why you got to do your own research, guys. That's crazy stuff to see. Let's take a look at this recent post, see what they say here from the JCBA. Financial Services Agency has released a request for tax reform in 2024. Remember, one of the articles we checked out, we see in Japan the tax for crypto on capital gains has been reduced or has been removed for Japanese investors. That's going to be great for when Binance Japan is in full effect and Japanese investors start getting into the space, and obviously Jasmy is going to be a choice for them to accumulate, to buy, right, to trade. That's going to be great because in the US, capital gains tax is super high, which is an issue and restricts people from getting into the space in the first place. So JCBA has repeatedly discussed this matter with Financial Services Agency, and they have taken the steps to realize the tax system reform and realizing that system. Okay, very interesting stuff, man. Awesome, absolutely awesome. So Kana Labs, let's go back to Dip Metaverse. Kana Labs is the 30th regular member of the JCBA, and I wouldn't be surprised Jasmy becomes the 31st member of the JCBA. Jasmy Knots, Jasmy fam, let me get your thoughts down below. Let me get what you think of the partnership with Kana Labs being featured on Binance feed down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all the support. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share with your friends and family. Really love you guys, man. Can't describe it and put it into words, and I'll catch you in the next one.